All right. Tony Laporta here with TonyLaporta.com. Anyhow, I was short some bonds going into that number. I was taking profits on some, and I didn't get all the profits in. And then the markets rallied out of sight. I don't know why, but I just sold more bonds again at 6 and 7, 06 and 07. So I'm short the bonds again up at these levels. I think they're 10, 11. They were just down to 06 again, and I'm short the bonds. So that's my trade. I was long the NASDAQ, and I basically got out scaled from 19 up to 24. So on the few short bonds that I was short on the way back up through it, it doesn't matter. It's been a nice morning. It's been a nice, and it would be a lot nicer if we could get these bonds back through 153 even. So I believe this NASDAQ is going to new highs for the day. What it does after we get the new all-time highs, what it does after we get there, I'm not sure, because I think it may pause waiting on the Fed announcement. Believe it or not, it was the one position I was a little bit concerned about, especially the way the shorter end of the yield curve was trading, and now I'm out of the position. So I basically have a bond position on and a grain position on. There are some possible FUBAR Mr. Sneaky setting up in the wheat. There is a possible. We need an inside range day from yesterday, and if that's the case, then we're looking to buy the wheat tonight on the opening. I'm still long 20 wheat, losing my ass on them, and I will probably most likely buy 10 more, but I will only do it as a trade. I won't do it as a long-term trade. I did this once before about a month ago. I think I took about 4 or 5 cents out of the trade, and which lowered my average at that time. So one last thing you want to consider is today's Wednesday. This is the midweek shuffle day. Have we seen the lows of the week last night? Probably not. Not at all. What was the low in the SPOOs? 59 and a quarter, 83. No. But one thing I do know is what I've been taught. If the stock market goes out on its highs today, you do not go home. You do not reach for strength, not on Wednesdays. That's something I've been taught. It's something I honor. It's something I watch over and over again. 06 trade the bonds. Beautiful. And it's something I keep an eye on. So we will see how this whole day plays out, the old midweek shuffle. But if the stock market goes out near its highs, I don't want to be long. Will I short it? I don't know. If it goes out on or near its highs, where's the bond market going to be? I don't know. But the bond market is the one I want to be short of, and I think we see continued weakness into the end of the week, and then I have to reevaluate. So that's about all I have. Tony Laporta with TonyLaporta.com signing off.